Namaste. Hello everyone, I am Shonda Colbert, and today we're going to work on a really quick and cool yoga flow. However, before we get there, I'd like to discuss the breathing technique that we're going to use today. So, the breathing technique that we're focusing on today is called the Ujjayi Pranayama. This breathing technique allows us to calm our nerves, calm our body, and just mentally put us in a place to allow for our bodies to move and flow according to the yoga flows and the yoga poses that we're going to do today. In order to reach this flow or this breath technique, what you need to do is focus on breathing from your stomach, right here in the diaphragm. You want to be able to breathe in deeply and exhale. When you're inhaling and exhaling, you want to keep your mouth closed. The goal is to inhale and exhale all within your mouth, not releasing it from your lips, to allow all of that breath to remain in the body and warm the muscles, warm the body to allow for an easier flow. So to give an example, this is how you can practice this technique before you get started. You can inhale and then exhale, as if you're attempting to fog up a glass or a mirror. Once you do that, and you feel like you have that down, and your breathing is okay, you can even put your hands over your ears. Inhale and exhale. And you can literally hear what sounds like an ocean flow within your ears. And it'll let you know that you're performing the breathing technique properly. So, let's get started. Our first pose is going to be our child pose. We're going to extend both of our arms out. And you're going to position yourself to where you're putting your seat back towards your heels. Now, while getting into this flow, you want to make sure that you're inhaling so that you can inhale and exhale accordingly for each pose and flow that comes to follow. So, we're going to inhale as we're getting into our child's position. And then exhale as we extend our left arm out towards the wall into our twisted child's pose. And we're going to inhale as we bring that arm back in. And then exhale as we extend the right arm towards the wall. We're going to inhale again. And we're going to bring ourselves into the cow position. And we're going to exhale into our cat. You're going to inhale while you get into an easy seated position. And then exhale as you get into your downward dog. While in your downward dog position, you need to keep your head with your eyes looking forward, looking down. You don't want to overextend to where you're looking behind you or in front of you. Keep your head down. Both feet touching the earth, both hands touching the earth. And then we're going to walk our feet to our hands while inhaling. Going into our mountain position and exhaling. Namaste. I really hope you guys enjoyed this yoga flow. I know it was quick, but it's still effective. If you need to do it more than once to feel like you've had a really good workout, by all means, go ahead. If you have any questions, concerns, or if you have any feedback, I'm more than welcome to receive it. I'll respond to any comments, and I'll see you guys on the next flow.